This is the first public announcement, or rather even the first announcement stating that Indonesians in Indonesia have tested positive for COVID-19. So far, we have had Indonesian citizens who have tested positive, but they have tested positive outside of the country. Now, President Joko Widodo, who made the announcement earlier, stated that the two patients who tested positive are a 64-year-old lady and her 31-year-old daughter. According to the president, a Japanese national who had visited Indonesia and tested positive for COVID-19 in Malaysia sparked an investigation by authorities, who then conducted this investigation to find out if the Japanese national had met anyone in Indonesia and whom they met. Now, after this investigation, they found out that the 31-year-old girl had come into direct contact with the Japanese national. The health minister also told media earlier that the mother-daughter duo were from Depok City in West Java province. However, they are already in isolation and they are currently being treated in a designated hospital in North Jakarta.
Now, Chatni, some experts are saying that it's possible that there are a lot of unreported cases that are still out there. Is Indonesia ready to handle a big outbreak of COVID-19?
Well, that is certainly something that authorities are emphasizing to the public. President Widodo, as well, addressing the situation earlier, said that the government was working hard to prevent the spread of the virus in Indonesia. He said authorities were carrying out tight controls and checks at 135 entrance points to Indonesia through land, sea and air. He did, however, also say that thermal scanners could not guarantee 100% accuracy at all times. Now, he also said that there are over 100 hospitals and isolation spaces ready and in line with international standards, or in line with the appropriate standards. And in terms of equipment, Indonesia is following international standards with regards to dealing with the virus as well. A joint task force, he said, has also been prepared to handle the situation, and Indonesia also has the reagents that are required. And the president also emphasized that Indonesia takes this matter very seriously and is continuing to work with World Health Organization representatives in Jakarta regarding the handling of the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, last but not least, he also emphasized that it was important for people to stay healthy.